Former West Indies captain Dwayne has criticized the handling of the cricketing infrastructure in the region, citing poor management and a lack of vision by successive administrations.
Trinidadian Dwayne has always been a contentious figure in West Indies cricket, and even after his competitive playing days, the 42-year-old continues to criticize the handling of cricket in the region. Speaking on the Beard Before Wicket podcast, Bravo expressed his disappointment over the treatment of former captain Nicholas Puran, who retired last year at the age of 29. Bravo noted that players are often cast in a negative light, but little is said about the board.
I think until the association and the organizations understand that the sport is changed and the direction of where the sport is going now, they cannot be stubborn in their thinking that you have to play for a country or because of a country is the reason why. No, because you cannot play for a country if you're not good. The country not going to pick you up and say, come and play if you ain't good enough. So you also make sacrifices and you also do what you have to do to represent your country. In return, your country have to also show that appreciation. So when I hear talks about, these guys only do it for franchise and not for country, and they don't care about their country. Okay, if anyone is stopping to ask if the country care about us?
Bravo, who had his test career cut short at age 26 due to a falling out with the board, says the rise of T20 cricket has strengthened the position of players, and boards must realize this shift.
The associations need to understand that now is not 40 years ago. Players have options now, and they will use the option. It's not like if you don't play for your country, you cannot make it. They have guys, Pollard never played a test match, and he's very comfortable and happy. And he will say, well, because of T20 and there's only money, and nothing is wrong with making money. There's no crime in making money. Like, this is your gift. This is your God-given gift, and you have to use it to the best of your ability, because as an athlete, by the time you reach a certain age, that's it. It's done.
The all-rounder also echoed similar sentiments to those shared by West Indies Test captain Roston Chase on the team's recent tour of New Zealand. Chase had highlighted the need for better infrastructure in the region to aid in the development of players.
My biggest disappointment in the Caribbean is our infrastructure remained the same for the last 35 years, 30 years. No kind of improvement. You come and play CPL now, you can see the conditions. It's terrible.
What do you mean?
So when we're netting or, like in between games, like you can't even bat, can't bowl, because the surface of the nets are...
It's bad.
It's terrible.
Throughout his career, Bravo played 295 games for the West Indies across all three formats, scoring 6,423 runs while taking 363 wickets.